Hey everyone, Shnickerman here, back with another video. I'm really excited to show you all how to make Mountain Dew caviar. It's the same kind of technique that they would use to make the little bubbles in boba tea, so you could also use it for a nice fancy dessert boba tea as well. I'm excited for this video because it gets to use my knowledge of chemistry and forming different compounds and combine it with my love of gaming, and this is a really fun gamer snack. So let's jump into it and show you guys how to make it.
You're going to need either 1/2 packet of gelatin or 1 leaf of gelatin, depending on the type of gelatin that you buy. Agar powder. It's a plant-based biopolymer that is used in different vegan recipes as an alternative to gelatin, because gelatin comes from animal products. You can basically find this stuff on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description if you're looking for this specific kind. Basically, it just cross-links the polymers together and you get this kind of gel form. You need about 1 cup of vegetable oil, some type of dropper. We're going to make Mountain Dew, so you can select whatever type you want, and then measuring cups and bowls, saucepans, and things like that. So let's get into the actual making of the caviar. Now you want to put about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of vegetable oil and basically put that in the fridge or freezer and leave it there for a while, could be hours, and you'll see that when it freezes, you can take it out and it will be solidified and translucent color. We got 1/2 teaspoon measure right here. We're going to put the agar in here, add about 1.5 to 2 cups of Mountain Dew, and just mix until fully dissolved. So just drop it in, put it to the side, drop the Mountain Dew in there, put the classic Mountain Dew, and make sure you mix it up so the solution doesn't appear to be cloudy anymore. That will ensure that all the agar isn't dissolved into the solution. And we're basically just going to boil this mixture, and then when it starts boiling, stir it for 1 minute and then take it off the heat. Now that we're at a gentle boil, just leave it going for about 1 minute. This will activate the agar and start cross-linking the polymers together. While your Mountain Dew agar solution is cooling to room temperature, you want to put this at room temperature so it starts to basically defrost. Take your gelatin packet and put it in and mix the solution until it's fully dissolved. Make sure everything goes in solution quite nicely. Now add a little green food coloring just for fun. So now you should have a nice Mountain Dew solution, and you're hopefully cooling to room temperature oil. So your next step is going to be taking your dropper and just getting some drops of the Mountain Dew. We're going to start dripping in our Mountain Dew solution, and you will see that it starts dropping to the bottom very slowly and starts forming balls as they slowly drop to the bottom, which will ensure that our caviar is forming. But you can see as I do that, do start to see some balls fall to the bottom and start collecting as you go into the solution. Start to see them stack up at the bottom. You basically just want to put the solution through some type of strainer and basically rinse it with water multiple times, and eventually you'll get your little Mountain Dew caviar, and you can make yourself a Mountain Dew bubble tea or whatever you want. And there you have it. You got your Mountain Dew caviar. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this nice little green Mountain Dew caviar. Didn't come out perfect, but I was pretty happy with the results. Note you could also try this with pretty much any liquid. You can do Coca-Cola, fruit juice, different things like that. So if you try anything else, let me know in the comments. And until the next video, guys, peace out.